parameters such as temperature, pressure, humidity, and rainfall. Yet, the goal of an Arduino weather station is to detect and analyze weather parameters such as temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, and display the data in variety of ways. Materials required: breadboard, Arduino UNO, jumper wire, LCD display, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, air speed measuring sensor. Working. The data is then converted into electrical signals. Their signals are then sent to Arduino board. Arduino board combines the signal. Advantages. A weather monitoring system using Arduino can observe various parameters: temperature, humidity, air pressure, wind speed, wind direction, rainfall, soil moisture, UV radiation, and more. Future scope. As a future scope, we can add solar panel and adding more sensors such as barometric sensor and NEMO sensor. We hope that you like our project. We heartily